LUOWEI 317 mobile phone screen splitter. New look and detailed design. Support to remove the screen, remove the back cover, and the side can be opened. With the new custom suction cup, suction is increased by 90%. After placing the phone, clamp it, fasten the suction cup, and rotate the front screw to open the screen. Rotating the rear screw can open the screen from the side, while matching the current maintenance needs. The bottom screw is extended, so that the front end can also hold the phone, supporting the removal of the screen and the removal of the back cover.